Hi, welcome to our new video tutorial. Today my name is Suleiman Gabo. Our topic for today, we are going to add two numbers. In this program we will learn how to add two numbers and display it using print function. Let's go to and create a variable. Let's say our first variable is num1, let's say equal to 12. Enter num2, let's call it, let's say 10, and let's say the sum will be equal to num1 plus num2. After that, let's come and print our set. Let's say the sum of, let's call an index, the sum of 0, our index is 0, the first characters, and set our second index is 1, which is our second characters, and our next index is 2, which our the last character. The next thing we are going to do is, let's say, dot format. After that, anyhow, this is our output. It said the sum of 12 and 10 is 22. That is, whenever you change the number, let's say here 80, let's leave this here 10. Let's try running it. Everything done. It said the sum of 80 and 10 is 90. Really, it's not magic. Thank you. We are going to stop our video for today was end. Don't forget to subscribe our video and like our channel, and like our video. Subscribe our channel, like our video. Sorry. Thank you.